riddle keeps saying, breathe deep makes it easy to sleep. But I am angry, not sleepy. So breathe slow and breathe deeply. You said that again. It is stuck in your brain? Yeah, you got it. Make sure the brain uses the breath as a choo-choo train. In and out. In and out. Shallow breath is the switch for stress. Deep and slow makes the relaxation flow. That is why we repeat, so the breath can be deep. Bye-bye.
Oh, hello. Have you heard that rhyme? Very mysterious rhyme. In and out, in and out, in and out. What is it all about? I don't know. I'm very confused. What is this? A riddle. I love a riddle. Krabby loves a riddle too. Do you like a riddle? Riddles are awesome. Shall we read it? Perfect. You must listen right now. People don't know what I'm talking about, but you must crack the code. The in overload and the out unload. This is our default mode, but do not let it float like a boat. Take hold, learn to decode, or it will explode. What are we talking about in this episode? I am very confused. I don't really know what is it saying. Is it like the lunch? Oh, clearly not. Oh, ow, ouch. Don't break here, please. Don't break here. All right, Krabby, can you please help us? Don't break here. Can you please help us? What? He said he really can't tell us because doesn't matter the information that he gives us. It does not matter. What matters, listen to me, it's what we feel inside after we do what? I don't know what to do. Hold up. I'm receiving some information. Hold up. All right. Stay with me. Palms up. See if you can receive some information as well. Okay. That was easy. That was very fast information. We must do some breath work. Ready? Sit down. Very tall. Sit on your sitting bones. You can pull the flesh or your buttocks away. You can feel the sitting bones. Spine very tall. Shoulders up. Shoulders back. Shoulders down. Relax it. Palms facing up. Arms open. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Palms facing down. You can exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Very deep breath. Exhale out. Inhale up. And exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now we're going to change the inhale. We're going to do the inhale 2 parts. Let's see if you can do it. Palms facing up. Open the mouth and sigh it out. Inhale up. Exhale. Sigh it out. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. Let's do one more time. And now. So anytime you want to have that focus. Oh, but before. Krabby is reminding me we must notice how we are feeling within. Close the eyes or keep it open. Doesn't matter. It's up to you. Keep breathing and feeling the breath inside your body. Yes, very nice. I really like this. Do you like this? I love this. Okay, we must do the second one now. Arms like a cactus. Remember to sit tall, all right? Cactus. We are going to exhale And then we're going to inhale. Easy. I think you can do that. Grab his head. We all can do that because that's breathing and we breathe all the time. Okay, exhale. Inhale. Cross your shoulder blades together. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now stop. Exhale. Inhale in 2 parts. Exhale in 1 part. Inhale in 2 parts. Exhale in 1. This is so hard. Oh, my arms are very tired. Let's keep going. One more time. Let go their arms. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake the feet. Shake it. Shake the head. Shake the buttocks. Shake the belly. Shake the shoulders. Shake the face. But must be aware how you're feeling. Let's put the timer and have a 30 seconds feeling inside. Can you notice any movement in your body? How are you feeling? How's your head feeling? Inside your belly, the chest, buttocks, the feet, the heart. How's your heart feeling? Connect to your heart. Put a big smile in your face. Say hello to your heart. And I'll say goodbye to you. Bye-bye. Bye. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Welcome to Me Hearties Kids Wellness.